Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you've been thinking about doing SEO for your business, or you've even tried before and simply got nowhere, this video is going to save you months of wasted time as well as money, along with frustration. I'm going to walk you through what you should be thinking about before doing any SEO in 2025, so you can make sure you have a successful SEO campaign for your business. This video is ideal for business owners who might have tried SEO and got nowhere, or if you're thinking your competitors are miles ahead and you're thinking on how you can catch up, or if you've simply never done any SEO before, so you're just looking into it as your first time. This is the kind of stuff that I wish agencies told clients before they start spending, not just send them a monthly report with a big fancy invoice at the end of the month. So here's 5 things just as a brief top level overview. Google's come out with AI overviews, which means right at the top when you search a query, you'll probably see this style of box with some answers in it. You've then got more competition in local SEO, since everybody's also trying to focus on pushing up their Google map rankings. You've also then got more competition in local SEO as businesses are trying to boost up their trust signals to help their business rank even higher on Google business profiles. Thirdly, you might have heard of Core Web Vitals. This is a direct metric from Google where they're simply tracking user experience and seeing how your website performs for that user experience. If your website's not got good Core Web Vitals, chances are it's not going to be ranking highly on Google. It's a metric that Google tracks and measures your website for user experience. There'll be a link below so you can actually check your website's Core Web Vitals for free. Your content has to be authentic, not just AI spam and not just copy and paste from multiple pages and then expect it to rank on Google. And lastly, backlinks matter, but so does your reputation and the acronym EEAT, which basically stands for experience, expertise, authoritativeness, and trust. And if you're using SEO advice from back in 2020, your chances are you're just wasting your time. Step 1 is understanding the real SEO goal. Everyone wants to rank on position 1, but why? You need to think about defining that goal. Do you want more leads? Do you want more sales? Do you have a product that people search for? Or even a service? And are you targeting locally, nationally, or is it an e-commerce product that can be shipped anywhere? You've got to remember, SEO isn't about rankings, it's more about getting the right target audience to your website. Secondly, once you've got that right target audience, you need to make sure where they're visiting. You wouldn't simply drive traffic into a showroom or a supermarket that's built like shit. You want to make sure the actual foundations of where the traffic is going is built correctly, so they've got the correct user experience, and that's where your Core Web Vitals come in. So here's a few things that you can think about. Does your website load fast on mobiles? Has it got a HTTPS certificate, which is your SSL certificate? Looks like this for your website. Do your visitors know what you offer clearly within 5 seconds? Let me show you a bad example. And now here's a good example. You can see straight away from the messaging, you can clearly know what this service is and what you're going to get for it once you're in touch. And lastly, can Google even crawl your website? Now you can actually type in this search on Google, which is site : your company name, and you can actually see the search results that pop up. And if your website is not there, it simply means Google doesn't even know about your website, which is a bigger problem. Step 3, you need to focus on a keyword strategy rather than just randomly blogging or looking at what an odd competitor is doing in your local area who might not even rank on Google. The best way to figure out a keyword strategy is getting a list of all your pages and mapping out different keywords. We actually use the same strategy ourselves for all of our SEO clients internally, so we can actually track which keywords will go to which page, so we know when we're building out the pages or when we're optimizing the pages, what are the primary keywords for it and the secondary keywords to drive more traffic to that page. I'll put a link down below so you can actually download that sheet. The next step you want to think about is your reputation online. It's not just backlinks. With SEO changing and AI overview searches coming in place, and with Google's AI mode even coming in place, you've got to remember this information is being fetched from third-party websites. So you'll need to make sure your reputation is great online, because if it's not, you simply won't be recommended online. And you won't be showing up in searches such as ChatGPT either. Google's now even starting to look into what your reviews are looking like, your reputation online, not just on their own Google business profiles, but actually across all different platforms. You want to look at digital PR and ways to build up your brand. So if somebody searches for your brand, you can actually check this by simply typing in on Google Trends your brand name, and then it will tell you how often people actually search for your brand. Now, if you're a local service, it might not be as often, but if you're a national company such as an e-commerce brand that you're looking to sell products, this will potentially be even a lot more than you'd anticipate. You've got to remember SEO is not just a short-term game, it's a long-term game, but only if it's played right. And if you're trying to figure out, well, how long would it take for your business website to actually rank on Google? Do you even need a marketing agency? We can help out. If you're not sure what type of strategy to go down for your business, check if you qualify on the link below for a business marketing review. And if you're not sure whether to hire a marketing agency for your business, click on our last video up here. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and like this video. Thanks for watching.